Tired of long bank queues and complicated money transfers? This video will show you how to send money directly from your Fidelity Bank account to your mobile money wallet in just a few simple steps. First, open your Fidelity Bank mobile app and log in using your credentials. That's your username and password. Make sure you have already downloaded the Fidelity Bank mobile app from your app store. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Transfers or Send Money section. It's usually located on the main dashboard or within the menu options. Take a minute to familiarize yourself with the layout. Look for an option that says Bank to Mobile Money Transfer, or something similar. Tap on it to proceed. This will take you to the next step, which involves entering your mobile money details. Here, you'll need to enter the recipient's mobile money details. Select the mobile money network, for example, MTN Mobile Money, Airtel Money, or Vodafone Cash, depending on your region. Then, enter the recipient's mobile money phone number accurately. Finally, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Review all the details carefully to ensure everything is correct. This is very important to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Once you've confirmed, you will usually be prompted to enter your Fidelity Bank transaction PIN or an OTP one-time password sent to your registered phone number. Enter the PIN or OTP correctly and tap Confirm or Submit. You should receive a confirmation message on your screen indicating that the transaction was successful. You might also receive an SMS confirmation on your phone. To verify the transaction, check your transaction history within the Fidelity Bank app. You should see the mobile money transfer listed there. Remember to factor in any potential charges for mobile money transfers, which may vary. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from your Fidelity Bank account to mobile money. If you found this helpful, please like and share this video and subscribe for more tutorials.